When adding custom segments you've created to the dashboard, there's a setting you can check which will determine whether that segment should be affected by the date picker in the top right hand corner over here. And depending on what kind of segment you're adding, you might want to have this selected or not selected. So let me show you what I mean. I've got this blank dashboard here for like a country breakdown, and we're going to add some segments I've pre-created that are broken down by country. So that would give us like maybe all successful sales from the USA or from the UK. So we go customize, we'll add a new card. We'll go segment total, we'll do orders, and then we'll select this successful orders USA. And this is the setting over here. So filter by top right dates. By default, it's on. And you can choose, depending on which resource you're segmenting, a different date filter. So for orders, you could do order created, order paid, order completed, order updated. So we'll leave it as order created. So that means the date picker up here is going to look at those dates. So I'll just jump back in there. We'll go all stats, and then we'll go insert, save changes. So you can see that this is now going to be affected by this date up here. So if I go, for example, last 7 days, or if I did this week, for example, that's going to change. So we've had no sales this week. This is different to if I was to add a version of that card, but instead not have that setting selected. So we'll do that same segment, USA, but instead this time I'll do none, and then all stats. And let's save changes. So you can see it's got the little flag here for all time or in this period. So now with this, no matter what, say I did, last 6 months, this isn't going to change. So this is handy. So you might want to be able to see within the week or within the month, but you also want to see successful orders for all time in the USA. So to continue with our dashboard, let's just add a few more segments. So let's go segment total, orders. Let's go UK orders. All stats. And then let's go also Australia. All stats. And then we might also add a heading, which would be all time. And what you could then do is, so for example, this one, which is all time, can come down here, and then you've got the variable ones up here. So I'm going to save changes. So now you can have a quick analysis or a quick snapshot of your countries. So let's have a look again. Last week, that's going to change, but this one's going to stay the same. And the same applies for segments you've created for other resources. It's going to show, that setting's going to show for your orders, your subscriptions, your customers, your refunds, and your carts. So for example, with products, it's not going to show because the products are automatically linked to that date picker in the top right corner. And yeah, that's it. Enjoy creating dashboards and let us know if you have any questions. Cheers.